Yeah. Hello, we are Victor and Martin from Sweden. We came here to buy our machines here in Jinan and the Blue Elephant Factory. And it's not the first machine we're buying here. We're quite happy with their service they provide and flexibility that you can get with your requirements. So you will get exactly the machine you want to, if you know what you want. You have to be specific and accurate with your requirements, and you will get exactly what you want to. What else I can say?
Nice to be here.
Nice to be here, yes. I hope we get a nice cooperation in the future, yes.